Microwaves are a fascinating part of the electromagnetic spectrum, with two major applications that impact our daily lives. In this lesson, we'll explore how microwaves heat food in microwave ovens and enable long-distance wireless communication through satellites and terrestrial networks. Microwaves are electromagnetic waves that sit between infrared radiation and radio waves in the electromagnetic spectrum. They have frequencies ranging from 300 MHz to 300 GHz, with wavelengths between 1 millimeter and 1 meter. The key property that makes microwaves useful is their ability to penetrate materials and cause molecular vibration, especially in water molecules. This unique characteristic forms the basis of both heating and communication applications. A microwave oven uses a device called a magnetron to generate microwaves at a specific frequency of 2.45 GHz. Once generated, these waves bounce off the metal walls inside the oven cavity and penetrate the food from all directions. The heating mechanism relies on water molecules in the food. Microwaves cause these water molecules to rotate rapidly, and this rotation creates friction between molecules, which converts electromagnetic energy into thermal energy, heating the food from within. The heating process in a microwave oven is called dielectric heating. Water molecules are polar dipoles, meaning they have positive and negative ends. When exposed to the oscillating electric field of microwaves, these molecules continuously align themselves with the changing field direction. This happens billions of times per second at the frequency of 2.45 GHz. The rapid rotation and reorientation of molecules generates heat through molecular friction. Microwaves typically penetrate 2 to 3 centimeters into food, creating what's called volumetric heating, where the food heats from the inside out. Microwave ovens incorporate several important safety features. The metal cavity reflects microwaves back into the food and prevents radiation from escaping the oven. The door window contains a metal mesh that acts as a Faraday cage, blocking microwaves while still allowing you to see inside. A door interlock system automatically shuts off the magnetron the moment the door opens, preventing exposure to microwaves. It's crucial never to place metal objects inside a microwave because metal reflects waves intensely, causing electrical arcing and potential fire hazards. Beyond heating, microwaves play a vital role in wireless communication. Microwave communication systems use high-frequency electromagnetic waves to transmit information over long distances. A key characteristic of microwave communication is line-of-sight transmission. Microwaves travel in straight lines, so there must be a direct, unobstructed path between the transmitter and receiver. The advantage of using microwaves for communication is their high bandwidth, which means they can carry large amounts of data simultaneously, including voice calls, video streaming, and internet signals. Satellite communications represent one of the most important applications of microwaves. Communications satellites are placed in geostationary orbit at an altitude of 36,000 kilometers above Earth's equator. At this height, satellites orbit at the same rate as Earth rotates, appearing stationary from the ground and enabling continuous coverage of specific regions. Different frequency bands are used for various purposes. C-band operates between 4 and 8 GHz, Ku-band between 12 and 18 GHz, and Ka-band between 26 and 40 GHz. Satellites enable television broadcasting, GPS navigation, weather monitoring, and internet connectivity across the globe, even in remote areas where cables cannot reach. Terrestrial microwave communication uses ground-based towers to relay signals across distances. Point-to-point microwave links connect cities and networks by transmitting data between tall towers equipped with directional antennas. Because microwaves require line-of-sight transmission, relay stations are positioned 30 to 50 kilometers apart to overcome obstacles like hills and buildings. These microwave links form the backhaul connections in mobile networks, carrying data between cell towers and the core network infrastructure. The major advantages of terrestrial microwave systems are that they don't require expensive cable installation and are particularly cost-effective in difficult terrain like mountains or across bodies of water. Let's summarize the key concepts. Microwave ovens heat food by causing water molecules to vibrate through dielectric heating at a frequency of 2.45 GHz. The rapid rotation of polar water molecules in the oscillating electromagnetic field converts energy into heat through molecular friction. In communications, satellites use microwaves to provide global coverage for services like television, GPS, and internet, operating from geostationary orbit 36,000 kilometers above Earth. Terrestrial microwave links create point-to-point wireless connections for telecommunications networks, using relay towers to overcome line-of-sight limitations. Microwaves thus serve two completely different, yet equally important roles in modern technology, heating our food and connecting our world.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.